Alright, I'm probably going to regret this. Do up my top button here. It's time for me to eat the Arby's Meat Mountain. I heard a lot about it. It's a big fucking sandwich. It's got like 9 meats on it or some stupid thing. Hold on, let me get the full list here before I unload this sandwich on y'all. I know there's a whole chicken tender on there. There's, roast beef, beef brisket, 2 different types of cheese. Let me get the actual list though, for posterity's sake. According to the website, in order, this sandwich goes: pepper, bacon, roast beef, cheddar cheese, Angus beef, smoked brisket, corned beef, pit smoked ham, Swiss cheese, roast turkey, chicken tender, star cut bun. That's so much meat. I'm pumped to fucking eat this. It's Saturday. I'm hungover. Let's fucking go. Things that I got with it: mint chocolate chip shake. Gotta. Necessary. There's the Arby's bag. What we got in here? Oh, some curly fries with Arby's sauce. Also got it, but I don't anticipate me getting to those after I finish this sandwich, so I'm going to take a bite of these now. Copious napkin. It's pretty understandable. And finally, oh my god, this weighs like 3 pounds. Look, the box can't even contain the meat craft. We barely unhinge it. Oh my god. I apologize to everybody in every poor country ever that is starving. I'm doing this for you. Really, I'm doing it for me because I'm a heathen. But oh god, can we get a close up on that? That's just no, bro. Okay, here we go. Arby's Meat Mountain. No time like the present. So you'd think that this would be too much meat. You'd think it'd be too much meat, but it might be just the right amount. The chicken tender at the bottom is an interesting choice. I just washed a chicken tender. Whole chicken tender just came out of the sandwich. Like it was appalled. It was like, don't make me a part of this. I'm meant to be put in some dipping sauce. No dipping sauce for you today, chicken tender. You've been merged into a sandwich supernova. Ooh. But yeah, the chicken tender on the bottom gives it this nice crispy layer that you got to come up under. And then meanwhile, the top of your mouth is just going full carnivore, like blades through a stack of meat paper. I have no regrets. Yeah. I might in a little bit. Who we got? We got 6 viewers. We got Jay Smirk in here. We got the man, James Cruz. It's good shit. 7 viewers. This is money. Alright, here we go. Another bite. The bun on the bottom just can't even handle it. It's just like undoing itself. Alright. It's time to break the rules a little bit. I'm gonna get that Arby's sauce. I'm just gonna start squirting Arby's sauce onto the entrance point. Surprisingly enough, there's not a lot of sauce on this thing. You don't really taste a lot of sauce. It's kind of just covered up by the meat. I don't know how this bottom bun is going to survive. I got to be like strategic to preserve bun integrity. Mmm. Look at that. Why are they selling this? This is gonna kill somebody. Not gonna kill me. I'm gonna be fine. I might still be able to drink this shake afterward. Well, actually, you know, if they not give me a straw, those motherfuckers. Give me a big ass shake, no straw. Guess it's just me and the sandwich. Mm. Oh, did that for the sandwich wanted to put on a show for y'all. Nice big cheese slide. Mm. Yeah, I know, man. No straw. The additional sauce would affect the bun integrity, except there's just so much meat here that unless you have no accuracy, you like no. The extra sauce is nothing. You just got to put it on where you're gonna take the bite next. There's no point in like getting it in the sandwich. But this fucking rogue chicken tender, like I gotta like peel this back. It's like a construction project. Oh, there's a lot of meat. I'm gonna have the meat sweats after this. I'm gonna have to. No, I'm not gonna go for a jog. I'm probably gonna pass out after this. Take another nap. You know, put me into a proper food coma before noon. Ooh, ooh, that bite had a lot of Arby sauce on it. That was a top tier bite. Let me put that. This is the best bite so far. I might have to double up on the Arby sauce. Dude, cold shower is not gonna be able to get rid of all the excitement that I have for this sandwich right now. Mm. Mm. You've never felt like more of a carnivore, more of a caveman, more of a horrible, gluttonous, capitalist pig than when you take a bite out of this sandwich. You know, in general, I don't approve of that, but in this specific moment, I get it. I get it. Mm. Mm. Oh, look at my boy Joe Van Serkman here. My fucking dog. Ugh. God, I really wish I could take a fucking sip of this shake, but I don't have a goddamn straw. Arby's. You found, you know, every meat in your goddamn pantry, but you couldn't find a straw. Good thing they gave me like 80 napkins. I'm gonna have to like take a shower after I eat this. Got like 40% sandwich left. Starting to feel it. The answer is more Arby's sauce. All right, all right. We're getting down to the nitty gritty here. I'm gonna go under and leave like that big center bite unscathed. It's gonna be my last bit. Mm. the poor bun, you know, because when you first get it, you know, it's not in the best shape ever. But the bun has a little bit of thickness, you know, a little bit of airiness. By the time you're done, just because of the sheer grip strength you have to use when you eat this, your bun might as well be like napkin thickness. Like you've just totally removed any and all fluffiness from the bun at this point. And it's really just sort of a mat in between your hand and a meat mountain. It's the only thing stopping my hand from being covered in Arby sauce and Swiss cheese right now. Alright, so this is a pretty big bite. I'm going to put it all in my mouth. Because I got to do it for the fans. All the good people that came out here today for this 11-minute Facebook Live video of me committing debauchery and gluttony and probably like 3 other sins. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Oh, God. Oh, there we go. There we go. Mm. Oh, shit. Fuck. Oh, my God. Look, I just got done taking a big dick to the mouth. Oh. Oh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. We did it. That's a dead meat mountain. I did with only 2 bites of shake and 1 packet of Arby sauce and about 6 napkins. Oh, I just wiped sauce back on my face. Like, the spoon can't even handle the shake. It almost sunk in. I almost lost the spoon in the shake. Look at my desk. Like, there's just crumbs, like whipped cream just sliding down. Yeah, like, I have to go get a Clorox wipe. But yeah, there you go, everybody. Now you don't have to go get one yourself and publicly shame, you know, your entire reputation. I don't give a fuck about my reputation, though. My reputation is already the guy that eats a bunch of food, so it's not surprising. Still a pretty good shake. Peace.